The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a hey, dumbass, I'm over here, tornado warning for St. Louis County until 2:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing. Are you that fucking deaf to not listen to me? There is a tornado coming to your fucking house, and it will kill you if you don't seek shelter. I can only imagine crying about something that is saving your life. You sound exactly like Paul when he got fired after I took a massive shit on his chair and blamed Paul for it. Oh wait, I think I went too far on this statement. Now before I end up going to prison for that, I just need to leave this fucking headquarters building right the fuck now. Just so you know, there is no substitute for me, and to the people who are actually smart, I think you should know what to do. I think I should leave now, even though I will probably end up in prison.